The last one here, which is really interesting, is I'll just click off of Emacs again so we can get this highlighting. That's this wrap line at window. So wrap line at window. So let's talk about wrap line at window, and then we'll take a look at some of these screens. Some of these themes. Okay, so let's look through here. We'll just make some adjustments and have a look at this text. I'll think of each one of these lines as a paragraph. Let's go to the end of this line, and you can see that we are at 639 characters. That's a very long line, and we are at 17 lines from the top of this buffer and 639 characters from the beginning of this screen. Okay, now this one at the end, it's only 195, so that one line is a lot longer. And now if we wrap this into the window, you can see that it's still one line. You know, you look here and you can see we're still at 17, and each one of these lines is going to be 17. As we move down, we're still at 17. We just have a we're 574 characters away from the start. So it folds the line into multiple lines, and those multiple lines are tied to this window. So if we split the window, and if we split the window again, we're going to see these lines wrapped in each one of these different windows. We're going to have some different line wrapping. So that line wrapping is visual, and it helps you to work on any particular section of code that you're working on. So line wrapping, I use it a lot. It's just to bring those really long lines into the screen so that you can work on the screen. So let's unwrap that line, and that's it for this panel. This is the appearance panel. There's a lot of interesting